Hello, we are going to go through how to add photos to a job sheet template. First, we will want to add photos to our job. Let's open this job, click Documents and add our images. Now let's go into the template editor and create a template with images and save it. If you don't have a logo on your template, you can add one by finding images at the top and dragging it where you would like your logo to be. Then select Logo. This will insert your logo onto the template. Now that the template is saved, let's go back to our job and click Print and find the template we created from the list. If there is an image you do not want to print on the template, under Documents, find the image you don't want to print and untick Include in Print. Thank you for listening.